Ow! Ow, the microphone's pinching my fat. Oh, ow. You ready, bruh? You ready to ride? We at TCN Garage. Garage. Garage? Garage. We got 100,000 kilometers on this engine right here. This old beater, Japanese stock K-car engine, ready to take it for a rip. It's gonna be a good time, mate. Good time. Doing it, mate. Doing it. And my mirrors are f***ed up. Left mirror is pretty good. Maybe all it'll take is screwing in this little screw here. My mirrors need to be screwed. Otherwise, I'm screwed. I'm flooring it. And yeah, got up to 40 kilometers per hour in first gear. And I was flooring it. Oh God. Oh yes. I grind gears. Now it does feel like my alignment is a little bit off. Maybe it's because of the road. Maybe it's because I'm so fat. And the car pulls to the right just because of this big gut here. Yeah! But one thing getting used to is the signals. You got the signal on the right side. You know, every right-hand drive owner will know that you got to signal with the right. Because this is how you drive. All right, let's pull this. All right, we're pulling up to a light. You know what this means? Oh, we got a race here, boys and girls. We're going. What's up, baby? Oh, she heard me. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. And we just schooled a Mini Cooper. Yeah, AZ-1 for life. Yeah, handling is pretty alright. Gonna need those coilovers real quick. Gonna need some wider tires. Get some better traction. Get that rubber on the road. So I can burn some rubber. This car's mid-engine. I got that mid-engine handling. A rear-wheel drive, mid-engine. You know what mid-engine means? It means the engine is sitting on top of the axle. Well, sort of on top, but behind the rear axle. That car is, let me say, don't want to say ugly, but yep, it's ugly. It's probably an ugly guy driving it too. Yeah, you know, ugly owner, ugly car. Beautiful, beautiful car, beautiful, beautiful owner. Getting head nods from everybody. Filipino guy in the Honda Civic, obviously. Filipino in a Honda Civic, what's new? Alright. Do the old shoulder check. Make sure I'm not cutting off a cop. Because I can't see because my mirrors are out of place again. I am gripping this steering wheel awfully tight. I wish it was soft, supple leather so I would be reminded to gently caress the steering wheel and drive with a more smooth manner of handling. It's probably because I can't see and I need to adjust my mirror again. Yeah, my foot's on the gas right now. I'm flooring it in fourth gear. And it is hella slow. This thing is garbage. Oh, we got the Mini Cooper behind us. She heard me call her babe. She's following me now. She wants a little piece of this AZ-1 action. She likes the back end, you know what I mean? She wants to feel my shift knob. Oh! Oh, she's pulling up! Oh! Alright. It's time! Holy this thing is wobbly. Holy this thing is dangerous. Alright, no speeding. Alright, we're in it. We're in front of the Mini Cooper. We beat her. Yeah, we are fast. and furious. Well, maybe not so furious. She's furious because she just lost the race. Woo-hoo! We weren't racing. She's just aggressively driving. We were aggressively driving together. It may seem aggressive in an AZ-1. So one of my favorite things about this car is it's really a driver's car. Not only is it a manual, you know, driving a stick shift is fun. You get that motion in the ocean going. But yeah, you can rip through each gear. Like you can get through 3 gears, 0 to 50 kilometers per hour. And it just makes it seem like you're going so much faster. It's like a go-kart, except this is a street legal vehicle. I can slow down right now. Downshift, ready for some power. Maybe get that. Oh God! Okay, don't put it in the first gear while going 30 kilometers per hour. That's a no-no. Who knew? Now I know. I now know that's a no-no. Look at this. Second to fourth, and I'm still under the speed limit. The clutch on this vehicle, pretty good. I mean, not that good, but good enough that it works. The friction point is like right at the end. We're going in the car wash now. Oh. You get in first gear? Ooh. You really got to be going real slow. The second car wash this vehicle has ever had in this country. Let's hope it doesn't leak. Bro. Oh, it worked! This is how you wash a car. A little pre-soak first. Get all the bugs and grime off of the baby here, and then you pretend it's a wiener.
Hey, I told him I need a cash. I need a shorty this bad. I need a break from the past. Drown in the liquor, we splash. Hey, I keep my foot in the gas. She put her hands on the dash. I swear you moving so fast. I pray to God I don't crash. I pray to God I don't crash. I swear to God I need rags.
So this 64 horsepower inline 3-cylinder turbo engine, made in Japan by Suzuki. All right, not Mazda. It was actually a collaboration. You know, Mazda came out and they're like, yeah, we ain't got an engine, but we got a nice sick body for this car. And Suzuki's like, yo, we got an engine, bruh. And then they collabed. It was like the new Louis Vuitton Nike Air Force One collab. You know, it was a big deal back then. Bunch of things that don't matter. I'm flooring it right now. Yeah! 40 kilometers per hour. Still flooring it. 60 kilometers per hour. Yeah, third gear. Wow. All right, this is where we're gonna make this baby shine. Flooring it. I was flooring it in third gear, and you barely get up to speed. This is not a highway vehicle. Obviously, in Japan, K cars, this is a city vehicle. You'd be driving this from Tokyo. You'd be driving this car around Tokyo, little tight streets with little Asians walking about, just hopping around like a platformer game. All right, back to the garage we go. We got a hazard on the road here. Let's avoid it. Collision avoidance. Avoided. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking the AutoZam AZ-1 for a little spin. It encourages you to race. However, it's not fast enough at this moment. But soon it'll be coming. The speed will be with us. And we're gonna get racing. Safety. Safety first. Number one. Safety first. Peace out, TCN Garage. Yeah!